Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. In this episode, we are going to discuss about some more qualifications of the speaker. Through Vedas are absolute knowledge comes from him. Vedas are coming from the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Vedas came from the Supreme Personality of Godhead, from the spiritual world. Because they are coming from perfect being. There is no alternative or nothing to improve upon it. It need not be improved, or it should not be improved. So absolute knowledge means no changes. This is how we distinguish absolute knowledge from other knowledge, learned from other sources. They always improve. Evam parampara praptam imam rajarshyo viduhu sakale nehamata yogo nasta parantapa. So it is coming down from Krishna. So conditioned soul cannot give absolute knowledge. It has to receive from the Lord, or who represents the Lord. It has to come down very carefully with disciplic succession, Guru Shishya Parampara. So he himself has a qualification from the receiver. Because of that, in 4th chapter Bhagavad Gita, 34 verse, Tadviddi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya. He should have the qualification of a listener to receive knowledge and then pass it down. Receiver has two qualifications. One, he should not introduce his own speculations. Now you received, I tell you something, now you add your own thoughts or masala and then present to others. Or you should have fruitive mentality. One who has no fruitive mentality, one should pass the as it is message. One should be free from fruitive mentality. One should be free from speculative mentality. Then one should pass the message as it is. When I have fruitive mentality, when I am expecting something from it, then I want to utilize it. I decorate it. I want to get some things from it. At least my name should be there. I spoke it. That is fruitive mentality. In the line of disciplic succession, he should be free from fruitive mentality. Then he should be free from speculation. So they are connected. One should be free from fruitive mentality. Then only he should be free from speculation. Unless he distorts the message. You may take the Bhagavad Gita, then you want to become famous. If you have any intents other than the Lord, then you may color it. If you hear from him, it is no effective. That means if you hear from him, say a person who has fruitive mentality or speculative mentality, it is not effective. So one should hear from a person, one who is free from fruitive mentality and one is free from speculation. Why? Because Krishna explains who is the person. Why Krishna is telling to Arjuna, Bhaktosi me saka cheti rahasyam hetaduttamam. You are my bhakta and you are my devotee. That's why these are the two qualifications. So one should be devotee of a Lord. Devotee means lover. Who is a lover? Lover means one who is trying to please the other person. Love is a service and a tendency to please the other person. If you love a person, you have to render some service and you have a tendency to please the other person. So, one should be loving the Supreme Lord. That means you have the fruitive mentality. You don't love. Love means selfless. Fruitive mentality means you are expecting something. So, a person should be selfless. He should be eager to render service. That means he is always trying to please the Lord. Such a person can transmit Sabda. How to please the Lord? How to act? How can mold myself? How can mold my character? How can mold my lifestyle? In such a way, we can please the Lord. One can always in the interest of the Lord. That person loves the Supreme Lord. So, he can speak the message as it is. And he should be a friend. Why? He should be a friend. Why? A friend has the least tendency to twist the words of the friend. Like whom we should tell, like a important or confidential message, whom we should tell. A person who tell whom we trust the most. Suppose you want to pass the information or message to somebody. Knowledge about Supreme Person, which is a very rare gift. It is systematic. Even a person who is receiving, he requires qualification. It is not for anybody and everybody. So, a person who receives it understands the value of it. Suppose you try to please the Guru in so many ways to try to love him. Then he blessed you this knowledge. He knows that process is not very easy. The spiritual master has to please it to give you this. He knows what all it took to receive this knowledge. When he received it with so much difficulty, he is not going to throw it just like that. So, he is having who is friendly attitude towards me, he will tell to that person. So that because give the message, Krishna may, I am a person, he says Krishna is a person. He will not twist it. He will not change it. People are not agreeing today. More feeling will be Lord is impersonal. Many people nowadays with that feeling. He will not change according to audience. Srila Prabhupada said, Prabhupada disciple come and said, Prabhupada, if we reduce these regulative principles, we will get more people. Just one thing, illicit sex. If we reduce, we will get more people. Then Prabhupada said, I have come here to pass the message of the Lord, not to attract the audience. So, he is very strict. A friend means a serious message is given. He should be very strict. He can't give it to anybody and everybody who will do whatever they like. That's why it requires so much dedication towards his spiritual master. Then only he can receive it. I will stop here. Now I am going to stop. This I will continue in next class in episode 3. Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Sri Sri Radha Govind Ji Bhagwan ki jai, Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.